cucumbers. And the rest.
We're back here again with Briana Rae. She's ordering her Subway food. She has an assortment of grass and weeds, some herbal stuff.
Like mayo.
Oh my goodness, she's getting mayonnaise.
Oil.
And oil.
And salt and pepper.
And salt and pepper. You don't mind being on my video, do you?
Yeah.
You do? I'm sorry.
You want something to have it later.
You're going to be on YouTube later. She said, no, I'm hiding from the police. She said, yes, she is. Hey, what's your name? We're at Subway. We're going to eat fresh.
No, that's it. No,
Oh, that's right. I'm paying for this because it's her birthday. Oh, look, you can support Johnny.
Fighter.
Oh, my bad. It's not her name is Nina. And your name is Marina. Marina and Nina. Did you know her name was Nina? And there's the bathroom key for them in. I wouldn't go in there. Can you hold that for me? Just like that.